These are different velocities. So this one's a little bit faster.
Really? That's a nice gun. I know, we gotta work here. It's worse.
What's up, fellas? AZ Sandman here. And as you saw from that clip, I was at my friendly Cabela's this morning. I got there a little bit after 10, so they'd been open for an hour, and it looked like they'd been pretty much picked clean. There was only one jewel case of the CCI mini mags, and the jewel case was like broken in like 2 or 3 different places. So I had to take a pass on that. They had some of that Norma USA stuff, $64 a box for 500 rounds. I took a pass on that. Had some standards and some other things. And they had the Red Rattlers in 2 flavors. They had the PowerPoints and they had the Super Speed. I decided to go ahead and go with the Super Speed, the 1300 feet per second. Grabbed me 4 boxes of those at $8.49 a piece. And that's right. Since it was bright and early, they had just started making the nuts. Got my wife a bag of the sweet nuts. They were fresh out of the cooling tray. All right, so that made her happy. Oh, just in case you guys didn't see it, there's the date, 7/31. Here's the prize. Some of the Super Speed. For those of you who saw my stash video that I made at around the end of May, those of you that seen it know that my Red Rattlers were a little bit sad looking, but I've been building it up steadily, so I'm getting a pretty good amount right now, but I'm nowhere near where I want to be, so I'm gonna keep on getting these when I see them. Stay thirsty, my friends.